Today we're going to be installing the one key system rotor kit for the top case on the 2022 klr650. Let's play the intro and we'll get right into it. So I'm going to go through and show you how to install each of these tumblers to fit the factory key of your bike inside the rotor for the top case of the one key system, which is the key that is the ignition, the same as everything else on the bike. I'll run through the parts real quick. You have the rotor itself, the tumblers, and the springs. Now, each one of these tumblers are labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that corresponds with each indent on the key and enables it to make the clearance to turn the rotor and unlock the case. So go ahead and install the spring followed by the tumbler. I went with number 1, just picked a random one and firmly pressed it into place, installed the key, and if it sticks up towards the top or the bottom with the key inserted on the outside of the rotor, it is not the correct tumbler. So go ahead and remove the key, pop that tumbler back out, grab the next number, insert that tumbler back into there, insert your key, and look to see if it is flush on the top and the bottom. You're looking for it to be completely smooth when the key is inserted. So go ahead and continue this process for the other 4, inserting the tumblers, inserting the key, making sure it's the right one. If it's not, remove it, go to the next number. Once you have all of them in there and you insert the key, everything should be smooth all the way across the outside of the rotor. What that does is allows that rotor to turn and unlock the mechanism inside of the top case. Now that we have all the tumblers installed, we can go ahead and insert the rotor assembly with everything into the top case. Place the key and the rotor into the opening of the cylinder with the stopper tumbler facing away from the lock mark. Pressing down lightly on the key, turn it clockwise about 3/8 of a turn. The rotor will go into the cylinder. While pressing down lightly on the key, turn the key clockwise to fit the rotor into the groove at the bottom. You'll hear it click once it's all the way inserted into the cylinder. When you remove the key, the rotor should remain in the cylinder of the top case. After you install the rotor, make sure the lock operates correctly and everything should move freely and pretty smoothly. So this top case that Kawasaki has for the Gen 3 is actually a pretty decent top case. I like the size. You can fit a full face helmet in there with no problem. Can't say the same for the side panniers saddlebags. They're a bit on the small side for me. And that's going to be it for installing this. I want to thank you guys for following along with this. If you guys found this video helpful and are actually able to use this to install your rotor, leave a comment down below and let me know. I know I'm thoroughly enjoying my 3rd gen KLR. Best decision I have ever made. I'm Full Throttle Junkie. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.